Are you troubled with integers? Most of my students, they make mistakes in integers, and thus they make mistakes in most of the questions in higher grades. So let's talk about few rules we can use to solve integers. But before that, click on subscribe button. Now since you have done that, let's learn about it. Rule 1. If I write 2 plus 3 minus 2 minus 3, the answer would be 5 and minus 5. So what is the rule? If we have same sign, we will always add. You can see in 2 plus 3, the sign for both the numbers is plus sign. So we have added it and we got 5. In the second example, we have negative with the 2, we have negative sign with the 3, both have same sign, so we have added it. But make sure you will put the sign which is common to both the numbers. So here the common sign was positive, we have written here positive 5. Here the sign is negative, which is common to both the numbers, we have written here negative. Then rule 2. If we have different signs, we have to subtract. For example, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1. Both have different signs, we have subtracted it. But make sure you will put the sign which is with the bigger digit. So here you can see the bigger digit is 3 and the sign with the bigger digit is negative. That's why in the answer we have put a negative sign. Here the bigger number is 3 and the sign with the bigger number is positive sign. That's why we are getting a positive one. Rule 3. Very simple. Minus into minus will give you plus. That means if you will multiply a negative number with a negative number, you will always get a positive number. If you will multiply a negative number with a positive number, you will get a negative number. For example, negative 3 into 3 is equals to negative 9. Rule 4. Similar to the multiplication rule, if you divide a negative number with a negative number, you will get a positive number. For example, negative 3 divided by negative 3 will give you a positive 1. Negative number divided by a positive number will always give you a negative number. For example, negative 3 divided by 3 will give you negative 1. Watch this video a couple of times and make sure you will do the worksheet which I have shared in the description box. Check your answers, you will see the change. If you have subscribed, then like and share with your friends.